Yo, 𝐂𝐨𝐲 over here, and this right here is Range Rover Sport, one owner unit, still under agent warranty and lowest depreciation on the market for any year of Range Rover Sport. Let's check it out. Just have a look at this magnificent beauty. Looks absolutely stunning in white color with blacked out roof. I'll be honest with you guys, Range Rover Sport is by far my favorite SUV of all time and definitely 100% part of my dream garage. This car is powerful, all-wheel drive, more than 300 horsepower, 700 Newton meters of torque, absolutely amazing power figures. Have a look from behind, very sporty, we have dual exhaust. Now let's check out the features. Of course, it comes with fully electric tailgate, and furthermore, this is a 7-seater. As you can see, the seats behind are up and they're electrically deployable as well. Look at this. We press this button for the headrest to go down. Then, once the seats are down, we have absolutely massive cargo room for you to transport your barang. Now let's close this. This car is packed with features. There is soft close on all 4 doors, and also check this out. When I open the door, we have side step come out for you to go into the car very easily. It's fully electric and comes out once you open the door. Full leather interior, black color, in perfect condition, absolutely fantastic. The leather is very soft, feels very luxurious. Rear passenger aircon. Also comes with its own display and controls for your rear passenger to adjust. Full panoramic roof, absolutely stunning. Look at how beautiful it is. And this car comes with Meridian sound system, as you can see here, and packed with a lot of speakers. Now let's close this. And now let's go in. Alright, we're inside and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Absolutely gorgeous looking cabin. First things first, we have leather steering wheel, multifunctional with pedal shifters, fully digital speedometer cluster. Both driver and passenger seats are fully electric and come with memory settings. As you can see, we have massive infotainment screen here and another screen here for your aircon controls and vehicle settings. Over here, as you can see the button, we can adjust suspension for the vehicle to go up and down. We have a couple of cup holders here. Of course, it's important to stay hydrated when you drive. This is your gear selector. Over here we have very subtle, very beautiful ambient light. It's also present in the footwells, front and behind. Overall, everything feels super high quality. The leather is very soft. Over here we even have elbow rest for driver and for passenger as well. We have storage over here. We have storage below. This is your start and stop button. Of course, keyless entry, keyless start, needless to say for this vehicle. And definitely full panoramic roof is such a highlight. Look at the seats, guys. So soft, so nice. Really, absolutely love this car. Just have another look. Alright, I'm super excited being in this car. As I said earlier, this is one of my dream cars. Alright, in terms of COE, we still got 5 years, 6 months left. This car is still under agent warranty. Depreciation lowest in the market at only 28,000 plus. One owner only, and the condition, as you see, absolutely superb. Alright, so guys, you all know what to do. Call me and we'll give you a good deal.